Okay guys, well it's October and it's a sunny day, so what do you do in October on a sunny day at Old Time Garage? You do burnouts. So Jared, my excellent painter, is here with his brother's car, an 82 Mustang with a... No, what year's the Mustang again, Chris?
85.
85 Mustang with a 302 and a standard. Has it got a posi?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a posi, good. Oh, there's only one reverse light. His brother said not to bag on the car though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
That's what brothers are for.
That's right. Well, there we go. Yep. Perfect. I hear parts delivery coming. Yeah, there we go.
Good timing.
Good timing. Excellent. Well, that's it. It's always good time.